It's
Okay,
5 minutes.
sure, maybe later. When we're done this, maybe. It's not that annoying. I don't really care. I guess I'll do it.
It's very, it's very annoying.
Okay, well, let's do it now then.
You know what? Let's crack it real quick.
Okay,
Open GitHub,
okay.
open Google, and just type in MAS. MAS GitHub.
Mass gravel?
Yeah. Open this, clone this.
Do I make like a folder or I open up Git?
Just in the downloads is fine. We're gonna delete this anyways.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, open this all in one.
Mm-hmm.
Double click, run this. Okay, now pick the. Do you have Office?
No.
That's fine. Just do the. Let's do the third one.
Online KMS?
You just press on three. Just activate Windows only. You can activate Office 2 as well if you want later.
That's cool. Like free office?
Yep.
That's crazy. Okay. This is useful.
Yep. And it's gone.
Wow. Okay.
You can delete this now.
Thank you. That wasn't even 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright. Good to know. Okay, so where were we? We got shredded, we got the tool. Now we need to open up
Yeah. Next, you open the GitHub. This. Yeah. Now let's. Do you have an SQL database installed?
No, I had Microsoft SQL installed before, but it's gone now. Do you recommend MySQL or Microsoft or something else?
I recommend MySQL, and that's the only thing this source will work with,
Okay,
MariaDB and MySQL.
okay,
But let's use MySQL.
okay. So download it.
Go to the no no go to Git go to Google, type in XAMPP.
Oh, I think I used XAMPP last time. I remember.
XAMPP is the best option to quickly access MySQL
Okay,
and
download
have
XAMPP.
control over it. Yeah.
This one?
Mhm.
I remember using this. It's very familiar. Windows version 64-bit. Which one do I take?
Yep.
8.2?
Yeah, the late. No, wait. I mean, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, get the latest one.
Download will start. Where is it? Okay, click here. Okay. Okay. XAMPP install.
Yeah. No, wait. Don't just click next
Okay.
because you don't need
Because
everything
an
it
active
has
user
to offer.
account is UAC on your system, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted. UAC? I thought I turned that off. It's off.
That's fine. Just click OK.
Okay, next.
Next. Now untick the FileZilla, the Mercury, the Tomcat, the Perl. Scroll down. Keep PHPMyAdmin.
Hmm.
Scroll up. Yeah, that's all you need. Next.
I used this once. I made like a cookie stealer, and there was
PHPMyAdmin is the most convenient tool you'll ever find for MySQL.
yeah, I remember it. Select folder. This is okay. Should I put it in my tools folder?
No, no, this is a good place.
Okay, English. Next. Okay.
What version of Java do you have installed?
Do I have Java installed? I don't think so. Should I download it?
No, it's fine.
Okay. I had all this stuff
Idea,
before, but
idea will download it for you.
okay.
By idea, I mean Maven. This source uses a package manager which is called Maven.
Mhm.
Have you ever heard of it?
No, I'm not really familiar with Java that much. It's like similar to C++, but I don't know much about the way it works.
Hmm. If you know C Sharp, you know Java.
I know, yeah, like the syntax is very similar. I'm not familiar. I usually work in Visual Studio. C sharp. C
Do
sharp.
you do this for work or what?
Yeah.
Nice.
I actually work more in VB right now, but I know C sharp as well. I
Um,
did C++, but only in school. I never did it professionally.
hmm. Did you go to the uni or are you going to the uni now?
No, I'm in it's like a technical institute where you just concentrate on programming on one course.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
So they are teaching you only databases?
database and C sharp mostly.
Hmm. Oh yeah, let's open it.
Click this.
Yeah, keep it. It's fine. We're going to open it anyways.
Yeah,
Okay, so tick the start on both Apache and MySQL.
just
No,
click
on
that.
the start, yeah. Yeah, now click on the admin in MySQL.
Here, admin.
Yep. Okay, now go to databases on the top.
Yeah, click it. Create database.
Oh, wait. Go to the idea. Go to idea.
Yeah.
Go to go to database, the database directory
Um,
on the top.
where
Yeah,
where is that? Oh, database here. Yeah.
SQL.
Mhm.
So you see that they're showing you what to execute from first to last.
Yep. Database drops shop update admin. Okay.
Yep. So go to the back to the PHP admin.
Do I copy this script?
No, no, don't copy.
Okay.
Wait, what was the database name? Go back to the idea.
Uh,
It shows Cosmic. You see, in the top of the script, it shows drop database if exists. Cosmic.
yeah. Okay.
Oh, it will also create the database for you.
Yeah. Create 10.
Okay, so go back to PHP admin.
Mhm.
Maximize it. Go to import.
Import here.
Yeah, select the file, the first one.
The first one.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Project,
Oh, projects. Yeah. Cosmic
databases,
SQL.
yeah, first one.
Open.
Okay. Click on import at the bottom. Let's wait it out. Should be fast. Okay, now click on the Cosmic database on the left. Again, import. Same thing, but for the second one. Repeat the process for all of them.
How do I know that the other one worked?
If it shows green at the end, then it worked. It shows you what changed.
Green where? Oh, in import.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything was fine until now. See, it's all green, everything is fine.
I see. Okay.
Import. Okay, go to the accounts table.
Yeah.
It should have it created an admin account for you.
Mhm. Password.
I'm not sure what.
Is this?
Go to the README. Wait, go to the README now in the idea. Yeah, it should show the password here probably.
No.
I get. Okay, let's go to Google then. Type bcrypt generation
Bit
bcrypt.
crypt.
No, type in the letter B
Oh, B.
and now crypt
Yeah.
space
Generator.
generator. Yeah, that's the password hash that they are using. Wait, don't use this website, not this one.
The,
Use the second one.
so I should copy.
Yeah.
I should copy. Uh, where's where's wait? Where's that page? Oh, here. Okay. So I should copy this.
No, this is the hash you see in the database
Oh,
is a
oh. Okay. I have to generate a password.
yeah because we don't know it.
Okay. So just.
So just
Uh,
pick any password.
okay. I don't know. Whatever.
The reason it's done this way, they probably taught you this in school, is so we don't even us, even we, the administrators, don't know the passwords
Yeah.
of the users.
Exactly.
That's just the standard way.
Yeah.
Standard way.
Okay. So new password is there. Um.
Yeah. Replace the A. No, that replace the A with a Y at the beginning. To A, you see, replace it with a Y.
Like this.
Yeah.
Why? What does that do?
Just because that's how they store it here.
Okay.
If it doesn't start with 2Y, it will not recognize it as bcrypt.
Okay. I see. Cool. Okay. Is there a save button or it just updates?
Yeah, there's a go.
Go. Do we have to change
Yep.
anything else?
Nope.
No.
You can change the username if you want.
No. I'll just leave it as admin.
Okay.
Okay.
Go. You
IP.
can press either one of the goes.
Is this the last IP used to log in?
Yeah, this is the IP they use to log in.
Okay.
Okay. Now the database is done. You can minimize it. You can later change whatever you want. You have full control of the database here.
Can you quickly just show me the tables for monster drops and for gachapon?
The drop is this in the drop data. Yeah, this is all of the drops.
Dropper ID. This is a mob ID.
Yep.
Mob and then the item. The what's the quantity? How many
Like if
how many it drops of that item when it drops it?
yeah,
Why would it drop 6?
because when you see item ID 0, that's Mesos.
Oh, okay. Quest ID. Okay, this is if it's associated with the quest. Chance is the
Chance goes all the way up to 1 million.
so
So
so 1 would be 1
so
out of
if
1 million.
yeah,
If
and if you see there 400,000, that's
I
40%.
see. Okay, and 1 million would be 100% drop chance. Oh,
Exactly.
that's really cool. Why did they do 1 to 1 million instead of 1 to, oh, I guess they wanted like decimals. Because if you do 1 to
Yeah.
100, then it's you can't put decimals.
This, this way you don't have to store floats.
Okay, cool.
It's,
Oh, yeah,
it's
that's smart. Okay, cool. So that's that. And then for Gachapon, I assume it's something similar with like the town.
the what?
For Gachapon?
Gachapon is stored in the source.
In which one?
Your Gachapon is not in the database.
Oh, it's not?
No,
Oh, okay, cool.
it's in the source. I can show you. Go open the source.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um. Wait, let's set it up first. I'll show you later.
Okay.
Okay. Mark the Cosmic. Go to File, Project Structure on the
Projects.
top. Yeah,
What? Okay.
below settings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, SDK. Add SDK. Download.
Download JDK.
Yeah.
Download.
Wait. Let me see which one I have.
Okay.
The OpenJDK 18 version 18.0.1.
Which one is it?
Wait.
18 or 19?
18.
So I changed 19 to 18, and
Okay, and yeah, and there find Oracle OpenJDK at the bottom.
Oracle OpenJDK. Yeah. It says 19. I pick
19.
I pick 18 here, and then there's no Oracle in 18, only in 19.
Wait, let me see. Okay, let's do it a different way.
Okay.
Close the project structure.
Okay.
Go to the pom.xml. The folder, the file. There's a file there called pom.xml at the bottom.
Mhm. Yeah.
Scroll up. What version is it using? It's using
It's 4.0 or
no the
Java
Java
version
version
17.
17. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So go back to the project structure.
Mhm.
Look for 17. Same place. Yeah. Add JDK. Down
Which one was it
the
again?
first one.
Which one?
Download
Download JDK.
JDK. Yeah.
17.
Uh, the just pick the 19 one. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
This location's okay.
Yep.
Download. Okay.
Oh wait. Go back. You see at the bottom that it finished installing.
Yeah, it's going here. Okay, it's done.
Okay. Go back to project structure.
Mhm.
I replaced the 19 with 17. The
Here?
language level.
This one
Yeah.
here? Or it's this one?
The first one. Yeah.
Seal types, struct floating point semantics. Okay. Okay.
Okay. We just click on apply. We're not done here.
Okay.
Go to the li libraries.
Mhm.
Uh, this is someone else's. Okay, this is fine.
You have a lot of
You
background
see?
noise all of a sudden.
Yeah, there's rain.
Oh.
Close this. You see the red one on the sources?
Yeah.
Yeah, delete that.
Delete.
Yeah, click on minus.
Exclude.
No, no, on the right there's a minus. You see top right?
Here.
Yeah,
Remove.
yeah. Same with this.
Okay.
Okay.
Apply.
Now apply again.
Mhm.
Now go to artifacts.
Yeah.
Wait. The purpose of the first one, the project,
Mhm.
was to decide what Java version we're using and just and set the language level to 17 because that's what the project is using. Libraries is This Cosmic project is using external libraries that are provided by other people,
Okay.
and we want to make sure it's included correctly, that there are no errors. Artifacts, it's what we use to compile it to a single file, which is the .jar. .jar.
Yeah. Okay.
So click on the plus. We need to configure it to do it correctly. A jar from modules and dependencies. Main class. Yeah, click on that. Look for type in net dot. No, net with a small case. Or just look for server with a big S. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Double click it. Uh, uh, uh.
Double click what? Yeah.
This is fine. I'll just click OK. Okay, on the right, delete every. You see below the cosmic.jar
But
on the left, on the left part.
yeah.
Yeah, delete everything that says extracted. Just hold the delete button or click minus. Yeah.
Remove is okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now click on the cosmic compiler output on the left.
Mhm.
Right click. Right click the top of it.
The top of it.
Yeah, the cosmic.jar on the top.
Oh, here.
Uh, uh, can see it well, but does it say cosmic.jar or something else?
Uh. So there's cosmic.jar right here. Yeah. The first thing.
Okay, on the top, on the output directory,
Yeah.
change the output to, instead of artifacts cosmic jar,
Mhm.
replace it with just dist,
Dist.
dist. Yeah,
Mhm.
remove the output as well.
So cosmic
Yeah,
slash dist.
yep,
Okay.
looks fine. Okay, apply,
Okay.
and okay.
How the hell was I supposed to figure this out on my own?
It takes practice.
But
The reason we removed all the extracted ones is because we don't want to include the libraries inside the single jar. To we want them to just be in the same folder.
okay.
I just like it better this way, but it doesn't have to be this way.
Okay.
It can be a single file as well. Okay, so click on OK.
Uh huh.
We're not done yet. You see on the top right, you see current file.
Mhm.
Wait, before that, you see the src folder on the left.
SRC folder here.
The source here, right click it.
Yeah.
Wait, open it. Just double click it.
Mhm.
Open the main as well.
Mhm.
Okay, it's you see how the Java folder is blue.
Yeah.
It's because it already recognized that it's the source folder. If it wasn't blue, right click it.
Mhm.
Look at the bottom. You see the most bottom. You see mark directory as.
Yeah.
You'd have to mark it as the source root. You only have the option to unmark it as source's root, but
Okay, I see.
you understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the top left, you see the current file.
The what?
Top left, where you
Here. Top
see the
right.
hammer. Yeah, edit configurations. Now we're changing the. We're configuring the development environment.
Okay.
Click on plus.
Mhm.
It's so we can run it. Click on application.
Mhm.
Uh, this is fine. And the main class to pick again the server, net.server. You can click on that, and you can look for it in a more convenient way.
What does this main class mean?
Server net the net is a package, server is a package, and server is a Java file. It's where you have the server class inside, and that's the main class. That's the class where we have the main function, where everything starts. That's the root of the project.
Okay. Apply.
Yeah, click on apply.
Mhm.
Okay, now you see on the left you have launch.bat.
Uh,
B-A.
where?
Yeah, right click on OK, and
Oh,
on the
okay. I
left
see.
in your
Launched up.
project
Yeah.
directory you have
Yeah.
the, yeah, double click it. You see how it's including the WZ path,
Mhm.
right? That's something we also need to define in our development environment, just so the project knows where we have all of our private server XMLs.
Okay.
Do you know what private server XMLs are?
I assume that they're like the settings for the private server stored in an XML file.
Not exactly. It's the assets of the game stored in stored in XML files without the images. So the files get a lot smaller and easier to
They're
and
just
faster
okay. They're just
to
names.
read for the server.
They're just file names instead of images.
No, we'll get to that in a moment.
Okay.
Anyways, this is where we define all where all the game assets will be,
Okay.
like all the information like equip stats and monster IDs and
Mhm.
skill IDs and everything.
Cool.
Okay?
Yeah.
Copy the DWZ path equals WZ.
Just this. Just this here with the dash.
Yeah, with the dash.
Okay.
I don't know why they renamed it to a dash, but that's fine. Yeah, just copy that.
Mhm.
Go back to you see the unnamed on the top right.
Yeah.
Let's edit it.
Edit.
Edit configuration. Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of unnamed, just type in start
Capital S.
or debug or something. Start. That's fine.
Mhm.
In the program arguments, paste the what you just copied.
Okay.
Yeah,
Apply.
apply. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, now another step we need to do. Oh, go to the WZ. On the left, you have a WZ directory.
Yeah.
Open it.
Mhm.
Okay, so they already did this step for you, but if you wanted to use other servers' files,
Yeah.
you'd have to generate this directory on your own using the Harry Packer program. Are you familiar with it?
Yeah. Yeah. My friend used to use it. She used to do Maple animations, and she used to dissect the wizard files. I remember.
Yeah, so download that program,
Right now.
go to GitHub, look on Google Harry Packer, Resurrected.
Resurrected.
That's the yeah, that's the newest one.
This one.
You can also open
This here. Last battle. Hairpacker resurrected.
yep,
Okay.
go to releases on the right.
26 releases. These.
Yeah, just download. Wait, scroll a bit more down. Yeah, you see the X64.
Here.
Yeah,
Mhm.
download that.
Mhm.
Put it in your tools.
Okay.
And rename it to Harry Potter Resurrected.
Rename this folder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, open it. Open the Har Creator is what you use to edit maps. Har Creator, Harry Potter Resurrected is what you use to edit any other WZ file in a tree fashion.
Okay.
Open it.
Which one?
The Resurrected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You see these? Yeah, that's the encryptions. Different version of MapleStory's use.
GMS old.
GMS old. GMS old is what they used for version 83.
Okay.
So if you click on tools on the left, on the top left, export files, private server XMLs, and yeah,
Where do I put it?
go to the where we installed the MapleStory.
Um,
It was in the C, MapleStory.
Here.
Yeah, so you would normally mark everything here in uh, excluding the list.wz.
Excluding this one. Okay. Am
Yeah.
I doing it, or you're just showing me how?
I'm just showing how you would do it. Now we click on open.
Should I click it right now?
Yeah, that's fine. You can cancel it if you want. Yeah, now create a just a random folder.
Okay.
Yeah, and click OK. Now go to that folder. You'll see that it's generating the XMLs one by one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. What do they actually look like?
Yeah.
Oh, they're just
Oh, you
images.
generated it. Yeah, that's now. Click on edit. You'll see that it generated the entire file as
Oh.
XML without the images, because
Oh.
they would usually contain the images of every item, every skill, the effects, and everything. But
Wow.
this make sure this strips them out, and because the server doesn't need those images,
Okay.
and it creates you a smaller XML that's
Wow.
accessible
So,
server.
when somebody makes a custom item for a server, how does that work? Is that complicated to do?
What?
To make a
When
custom.
someone creates a
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, a custom item, and you give it its attributes and what the picture, and is that hard to do?
Yeah, so when someone creates a new item, you need to add it in the client, in the user's WZ, the real ones, and then you also have to create a private XML version of it and put it in the server WZ directory,
I
so
see.
that server recognizes that this item actually exists.
Mm-hmm.
Because the server needs to validate everything that the user is doing.
Of
The
course.
user can't just add new items and the
Of
server
course.
server doesn't
Yeah.
know about it.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so this is done. So
Uh,
I would
yeah,
take
you
these
don't
and
need.
replace them, basically.
Yeah, you would replace them. You don't need. They already did it
Yeah,
for you, so you don't need to do it.
but that's how you do
But
it
you,
if I need to do it.
yeah,
Cool. Okay. Can I delete this folder now?
yeah. Make sure that Harry Potter doesn't. He's finished exporting.
Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna close it.
Okay. Yeah, you can delete.
No, I'll keep it. Wait a minute. I have it in my tools. Okay,
It's
cool.
really easy to get. You don't really need to keep it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, go back to to idea, and now you see the debugging icon on the top right.
The plus? I mean the start?
Yeah, click on it. No, no, whoa, oops. The other one, yeah, this one.
Start with coverage?
Why, this is fine as well.
Oh,
Just
debug
wait it
start.
out.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, don't just. It's fine. Don't click it.
Okay.
Let's see that it's running. Everything is okay.
Okay.
Okay. You see that it's hanging on Hikari data source, right?
Yeah.
Hikari is the library this source is using to pull the uh, SQL requests.
Okay.
So if it's hanging there, what does it mean?
We're not connected to the database.
Exactly. Let's close the stop the session. Yeah. Go to the config.yaml.
Where's that? Here.
Yeah. Config yaml. Scroll down. Find the database um info. Scroll down. It will be a bit. It will
Oh,
be
so
below the word.
before when you said XML, what did you say? XML something? I thought you were talking about this file because I remember editing this file and you can change the the
Yeah.
the root.
This file is not an XML. It's a
Yeah.
YAML.
Okay. What am I
Just
looking
a
for?
just the database information, the connection information. Scroll up. Just look for 3306. Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
So
So you see, it's attempting to connect with a user that is named Cosmic Server with a password that is
snail shell.
Snail Shell.
Okay.
That's not gonna work for us because we don't have such a user in the database.
Right.
What we have,
What do we have?
let's just use the default user,
Where's
which is root with no password.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So rename the user to root
If I wanted to
and the
change that, I could do
password.
that here. I could put a new password.
Yeah, you can create a new user.
I do it on the database.
No. You don't know how to create a user?
Privileges.
No. You need to use queries.
Oh, okay. I'm used to MS SQL. I'm not used to MySQL.
In MySQL, you create the user with queries.
Okay, there's no.
You can try to create it. Go to the click on PHP admin on the top left.
Where? Sorry.
You probably want to learn how to do it the raw way with statements.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
it's more convenient, but there might be an option here. Click on the logo
Which logo?
on the top. PHP admin.
Oh,
Yeah. Uh, uh, uh,
user accounts.
yeah.
Root.
Yeah, you can create one here if you click on add user account.
Okay. I'll just leave it as root for now. I think I did this by accident. I should delete this, right?
Did what?
I
The new?
I added this table. Yeah.
New is not a table, it's just a convenient way to add a new table.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
So we go back here. So root blank and then
yeah, no, just no, save the file and try to
control
run the debug.
control S.
Yes,
Okay.
so just run it. Let's see that it works this time. Yeah, you see it's not hanging there anymore.
Starting world 0.
And your server is now online.
Okay. Does it
That's
actually open up a visible client or no?
mm, what? No, this server is up, not your client. This is just the server.
Okay.
Now go to the make game directory you opened earlier.
No, it was in here. This you mean?
Yeah, open the client.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hit, yeah. Log in with credentials. We
Uh.
decided username was admin. Password was I don't
Oh.
remember.
I remember. Just mute this.
What are you mute? Oh,
It's too loud. Okay, we'll just do like.
You can disable the peak now if you want.
I can disable it where in the database?
No, in the config file, they have a configuration for it.
Okay.
You can also disable the peak, but then you have to restart the server.
Where does that happen? Let's see.
Look for pin. It's called PIN. Yeah.
Pin
You
false.
see, it has enabled pin. Yeah, just change it to false.
Yeah.
Same with the if pick. You don't have to. You can.
I'll just
The
leave it.
reason I don't ever disable the pick is because you need it to remove characters, to delete
Okay,
characters.
so I'll leave it. Okay, so we stop this. This is gonna
Yeah, run it
also
again.
crash, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Debug.
it's up. You can open it again.
Don't show. How come your server when you were starting it sometimes it wasn't loading? It would just freeze. It would
What
be
do you mean?
at first like you would run it and it would be not responding and it wouldn't load sometimes.
Oh, I'm using a different kind of. It's not gonna happen for you.
Oh, okay. And I can change all these messages, right?
Yeah, this message you can also change in the config file.
Yeah. Oh, it made a character for me.
Yep,
It's an
you
admin.
can double.
Huh?
You can see you can see the peak in the database.
Let's see. Oops. Accounts. 0. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, and you're on.
Wow. Cool. So this is like the super admin or admin?
This is the super admin. And you define admins in a characters table.
Characters table.
Here you have a GM column. You see,
Mm-hmm.
level 6, that's the highest level.
Is
Level
this
1 is donors, level 2 is
is
interns,
this a
level
foreign key?
well,
The GM6 is this defined in another table?
no,
Okay.
it doesn't.
So what does
It
6 mean?
isn't. 6 just means admin.
Okay.
Like the way they define it is like go to the source, open the source.
Yeah.
They don't actually give it names, just levels. Open the SRC,
Yeah. Main.
main, Java,
Uh huh.
client,
Uh huh.
command, commands, commands. Yeah, and here are the levels, you see?
Oh.
Each level gets different commands. That's how they did it here.
So a regular player would be what? GM1?
A regular player is level 0.
Oh. And
1 is donor, 2 is intern or GM,
mhm.
4 is head GM or GM, 5 is admin, 6 is owner.
What's 3?
3 is usually head GM.
Okay. So from 0 to 6 you get more and more privileges.
No, sorry, 3 is GM, 2 is intern, 4 is head GM, 5 admin, 6 owner.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool.
And you can add more levels if it's not that difficult.
What are these
Just
respawn intervals of mobs?
yeah, this is the respawn rate. You can change it to whatever you
Takes
want.
10
This is
seconds
every
for mobs to respawn. Okay.
Yeah, this will take 10 seconds. We change it to
Does
6
this
if you
mean
want
if you enter a
faster.
map for the first time, monsters will spawn after 10 seconds?
No, the mob spawn on this once the server starts.
Oh. So after you kill a mob, it takes 10 seconds to respawn.
When you enter the map first time and it wasn't loaded to the server yet,
Okay.
it will spawn them instantly.
Okay.
But then if you if but then if you kill them,
Mhm.
If I remember right, it creates a task that runs every 10 seconds and checks if the mobs should be revived. So if they spawn and you kill them in that same moment, it will take 10 seconds for them to respawn. But if they spawn, you wait 5 seconds. In
I
those
see.
and in
It's on
that
a
5
timer.
seconds you
Okay,
kill them, they will respawn after 5 seconds.
that's cool. Um, so what else do I need to know? I mean, there's
Um,
obviously a lot of different tables and functions and stuff.
yeah, there's a lot of you can look around. There's something you should just explore yourself. That's a part of the learning experience.
Auto ban, nice. I can read how they ban so I can stop getting banned.
Yeah, that's just how they do it. They didn't add much to it. Yeah, we have more checks than them.
Mob count.
We obviously blocked a few things that cannot be revealed,
Yeah, I know.
but you know the general idea.
Yeah. Um. So so now what do you recommend I do? How this
Okay. Now that you have a development environment, we also need a production environment where you can actually bring people.
right.
Because on this server, it's only you, no one else can join it.
Yeah.
This is where you test and develop your server.
This.
When you're done,
Mhm. I was gonna say this invisible mode. How do I turn it off?
uh, you have GM commands. Just type in uh, 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 I forgot the name of it in English. The one, shift one.
Like this?
Yeah,
Exclamation. Yeah.
yeah, exclamation and hide.
Cool.
Yeah, you can type it again to toggle it. You just you can look through all of the commands. Yeah, here.
Oh, these are what regular players could do.
Yeah,
Common. Oh, this is our one, two, three, four, five. Here there's seven, but there's only 6 roles in the database.
6.
We have 7 total, but there's 6 in the database.
You didn't
One,
count the
two,
zero.
three. Oh, four, five. Okay, you're right. Yeah. Cool.
Okay. So next, we want to buy a VPS somewhere you can actually run the server.
Yeah.
Um, I would recommend getting it from OVH. Are you familiar with OVH?
Nope.
Okay, go to their website.
That
They
was
are the cheapest and most simplest. Are you familiar with Linux?
no.
Uh, do you want to look for a cheap option or an expensive option, but maybe you're more familiar with it?
Define expensive.
Like $20 a month more.
Mm. Is it just a one-time setup, or I have to constantly work with it?
Mm, I'll show you the basics. I'll show you the commands you need to know, and I'll help you set it up on Linux.
Okay.
I think you should set it up on Linux just because it's better and cheaper.
Okay. Let me.
Yeah,
I'm gonna pause the recording, and we'll start a new one, just so it's not too long.